Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This video I made for YouTubers who are all struggling to find their microphone for making their YouTube videos. So in this video I have shown one of the best budget microphone, which is Boya BYM1. This microphone can be used in your smartphones, DSLR camera, also in your laptop. I am sure you cannot find any microphone at this price. The details of this microphone I have given in the description, you can find in there. So now let us go for unboxing of this microphone. Before that, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Also click the bell icon for upcoming videos. Now let's go for unboxing.
This is what I received from Amazon. And this is the microphone Boya BYM1. Backside of the box, they have given the specification. This is the manual of this product. And warranty card of this product. This condenser will record your voice at better quality. This is the main part of this microphone. The right one is the mic, the center one is the condenser in which you are going to fix your battery for its working. The left one is the 3.5mm jack connector. This is the battery you are going to fix in the condenser when you are using your camera. For smartphone, battery is not required. And this is how you are going to fix the battery inside the condenser as per the polarity shown on the condenser. And finally, they have provided this connector which can be used when you are using your camera, but make sure your camera having this port facility.
Hello friends, I hope you have seen the complete unboxing of this microphone. Now let us test this microphone by connecting and reconnecting with the mobile. So before that, I will tell you how to mount this microphone. You can see the microphone in my t-shirt collar, and be ensure the microphone facing towards your mouth. Then the sound quality will be very good. Okay, let me disconnect this microphone. Let us check the sound quality how it was. Now I have completely disconnected this microphone from my mobile. This is how the sound quality. You can compare the sound quality with the previous one. So now I have reconnected this microphone with my device. So this is how the sound quality. The main benefit of this microphone is the length of the cable. The length of the cable is almost 2 meters, so you can stand 2 meters apart from your device for recording your video. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you really like this video, please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for upcoming updates. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.